Guess what? Today's the day we finally get the recipe ball rolling. And you guys asked for this, so we're gonna start 2020 with a new slow cooker recipe. Super simple slow cooker chicken fajitas. A couple ingredients and a few minutes is all you need to prep this one. So let's just jump right into it. First, you'll obviously need a slow cooker and then optional liner to make cleanup even easier. Next, you'll need your vegetables. You can do this two ways. Number one, by chopping up some bell peppers and an onion. Or number two, keep it simple and just buy a bag of frozen fajita vegetables like this one. Dump half of your vegetables into your slow cooker and follow with 3 pounds of fat trimmed chicken breast, half a packet of fajita or taco seasoning mix, an ounce of lime juice, tablespoon of honey, tablespoon of minced garlic, can of diced tomatoes, and the other half of your fajita vegetables. Lightly mix those up and throw your slow cooker on high for 3 hours. After 3 hours, your chicken breast should be ready to shred, so go ahead and do that. Then continue cooking on low heat for an hour. You can add this recipe to pretty much anything. Quinoa, rice, low carb wraps, or keep it traditional and throw some in a tortilla with your favorite toppings. Hopefully that's a good start to 2020. Don't forget that I post all the calorie and serving information down below and on my website, theproteinchef.co. With that, we're gonna keep this one short and sweet, so drop me a comment below with what you'd like to see next. Subscribe if you haven't already. We're almost at 250,000 of you, which is a good goal, I think, for the start of this year. Smack that like button to help with the algorithm. Follow me on socials @theproteinchef. And of course, stay healthy. By the way, if you didn't watch the last video, I'm wearing this hat because my hair looks like this. Yeah,